My name is Pauline Ogango. I am the Program Officer, Education at Elimu Resource Centre. Here at Elimu we have 3 pillars, education being one of them. And one of the major activities that we have when it comes to education is the mobile digital learning that is carried out within the schools within Malindi. So we have been working with government school, private school, and special institutions like the prison, the rescue center, and the correction center for the students also. We started in 2016. Our main aim for this project is to improve literacy and numeracy among the students. Over the time, we've had students who come in without them not having knowledge of reading and writing, and while they are leaving the facilities, being guided by the studies that we give them, you find that their literacy and numeracy level have improved. And also we have students who it's their first time interacting with the learning materials, and they get direct admissions into the schools that they are going to join. Also, we've had students who do their national examination while they are staying at this special institution, and they end up performing very well in their end year examinations. As a teacher, it is my mandate to ensure that all the learners get the education that they need to improve their social life and their academic development. These learners, they have hope knowing that somebody cares so much about them, and some of them are at the verge of even stopping their further studies, but seeing that somebody cares to them, an organization cares so much about them and want to impact them academically, that is my motivation, because these people are losing hope and you're bringing a smile into their faces at the end of the day.
My name is Malindi. I work at Elimu Resource Centre as the manager of ICT and EdTech department. In my department, what I usually enjoy doing most is working with the students on this technology. We go to the prisoners Elimu and teaching the prisoners there. Some didn't go to school, and we there as Elimu are going to teach them. As we are teaching them, I find that they quite enjoy working with us. Some are eager. We find that more of these prisoners older than 40 years. Some have not even gone to school. They've been taught how to write their own name. We took the computers to them. They've never seen. Some have never even seen computers. They were excited to see it being displayed on the monitor. And we see they would like to know. They have that eager. What happens? How is these things possible? And if you sit with them and see their minds, you see if these people had education earlier. Most of that they did, they could not have done. So they're asking us, begging us to go with more computer to be training them, teach them the work of technology, so that when they get outside, they'll be now more acknowledged to the technology and work hard and redeem their lives.